and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the benefits and potential harms of oatmeal along with the common mistakes people make when preparing it that could be harming your health. Stay with us until the end. It's going to be informative, interesting, and delicious. Oatmeal is an excellent breakfast choice that provides lasting energy due to its complex carbohydrates. These are digested slowly, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar, making oatmeal especially beneficial for those with diabetes. In the medical field, oatmeal is often recommended for patients dealing with gastrointestinal issues such as gastritis or pancreatitis. Why? Because when cooked with water, oatmeal has this incredible ability to soothe and coat, and that gentle effect can make a world of difference for those struggling with digestion. It helps things to smoothly move along. Oatmeal is definitely a doctor approved product. Now for diabetes, the complex carbohydrates that is in oatmeal, it helps to maintain stable blood sugar levels. However, with a glycemic index of 60, portion amount control is crucial for diabetics in their diet. And for those who are dealing with gastritis and pancreatitis, these patients are prescribed during flare-ups as a strict diet to follow that excludes spicy, fatty, and fried foods. Oatmeal is an allowed and even necessary product for such diseases. It envelopes the walls of the stomach, it reduces inflammation, and reduces pain. You can also eat oatmeal jelly and oatmeal pancakes, which helps restore the gastric mucosa and helps to quickly achieve remission. Let's talk about cleansing. We all know how important it is to cleanse and remove those toxins and waste that build up in our bodies, right? Oatmeal can help with that too. It acts as a gentle broom for your intestines, sweeping away waste and impurities. Think of it as a natural detoxifier. And the best part is that it is so easy to incorporate in your routine. Just mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with a glass of boiling water, give it a good stir, and drink up on an empty stomach. You'll be amazed to know how much better you'll feel. Alternatively, you can try the lazy oatmeal way by soaking it in oats in almond milk or yogurt overnight, then adding nuts or dried fruits and drizzle a little of honey to make it even more delicious and nutritious to start your day right for breakfast and keep your intestines happy. Let's be real for a second. Nobody likes talking about constipation. It's one of those topics people tend to avoid, but it is something that affects a lot of us. Constipation is a common problem that can really impact your health and overall well-being. It can make you feel bloated, uncomfortable, and even irritable. The frustration and discomfort can be overwhelming. But here is where oatmeal comes in. It is a powerful ally in the fight against constipation. It is packed with fiber, which acts as a natural laxative. The soluble fiber in oatmeal absorbs water, making your stool softer and easier to pass. This helps things to keep passing along in your digestive tract smoothly. No more straining or discomfort. Regular bowel movements are key to flushing out toxins from your body. When you are constipated, these toxins can be reabsorbed into your bloodstream, which is not good for your health. By keeping your digestive system regular, you help prevent these toxins from causing harm. Oatmeal can be a simple yet effective way to maintain your digestive health. So if you are struggling with constipation and you want relief, consider making oatmeal a part of your routine. Now, oatmeal is a targeted approach for specific conditions. Let's get a little specific. Oatmeal is more than just a healthy breakfast. It's a versatile food that can be tailored to address several health concerns. Oatmeal is not just a one size fits all solution, it can be beneficial for a range of health conditions. Take gout, for example. This painful inflammatory condition can be caused by a building up of uric acid in the joints, leading to severe discomfort and swelling. This condition often includes making dietary changes, and this is where oatmeal comes into play. Oatmeal can actually help regulate uric acid levels because it helps supports our metabolism, and the best part is it is low in protein, which makes it a safe and effective choice for people with gout. But that's not all. Additionally, oatmeal is rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight, both crucial factors in managing gout symptoms. So, it is a natural way to manage your gout symptoms. But the benefits of oatmeal don't just stop there. It can also be beneficial for those dealing with high cholesterol, diabetes, and even hypertension. For instance, the soluble fiber in oatmeal known as beta glucan has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol levels, which is often referred to as the bad cholesterol. This can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. For those with diabetes, oatmeal is high in fiber content, which helps to stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This makes it an excellent breakfast choice for maintaining steady energy levels throughout the day. And let's not forget about hypertension. The potassium and magnesium found in oatmeal can regulate blood pressure, making it a heart healthy option for those looking to manage or prevent high blood pressure. So, incorporating oatmeal into your diet can offer a range of health benefits. Now, what about the benefits for women, ladies? Oatmeal is your secret weapon for beauty and wellness. Whether you are a busy professional, a stay at home mom, or just someone who loves to take care of themselves, we all want that healthy glow, right? The kind of radiance that makes you feel confident and beautiful no matter what our day throws at you. Strong, shiny hair and glowing skin. Oatmeal isn't just good for your inside, it is amazing for your outsides too. Oatmeal is a powerful grain that can transform your beauty routine. It's a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy hair, skin, and nails. We're talking about nutrients like zinc, biotin, and magnesium, which are crucial for maintaining your natural beauty. Think of it as a natural beauty booster. You don't have to spend a fortune on beauty products when you have oatmeal. Just mix oatmeal, honey, and yogurt, and you get yourself a luxurious, all natural face mask. Oatmeal can help moisture your skin, reduce inflammation, smooth out wrinkles, and even out skin tone. It's perfect for all skin types, whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin. Now, what about you, gentlemen? What are the benefits for you men? Now, oatmeal can boost your testosterone levels. It's a fantastic source of vitamin E, which is crucial for the production of male testosterone. Not only that, it is packed with other essential nutrients that support overall health and well being. So, make oatmeal a regular part of your diet. So, oatmeal is truly a superfood that can improve your health. But before you run off to make a pot of oatmeal, cooking and eating it the wrong way can reduce its benefits or even cause some harm. So, we're going to talk about some common mistakes with oatmeal that people make and how you can avoid them. Mistake number one, not rinsing oats before cooking. I know it sounds strange, Oats sometimes may contain residues from processing like dust or even fine fibers that are not visible to the naked eye. For people with sensitive digestion, these residues can cause stomach irritation or minor allergic reactions. So, giving them a quick rinse under cold water can help remove these impurities, making your oatmeal taste better and digest more easily. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. Look at mistake number two, overcooking your oatmeal. Nobody likes mushy oatmeal. Cooking it for too long destroys valuable nutrients like B vitamins and antioxidants. Also breaks down the fiber structure, which reduces its ability to provide long-term feeling of fuller for longer periods of time and complicates digestion, making it less effective at regulating digestion and blood sugar levels. Overcooked oatmeal can cause spikes in blood sugar, which is especially problematic for people with diabetes or those trying to manage their weight. Number three mistake, and this is the biggest one, loading up your oatmeal with refined sugar. I get that a little sweetness can make it more appealing, but refined sugars basically turns a healthy breakfast into an unhealthy one filled with sugar. It erases all the health benefits we talked about and can be harmful to your health in the long run. It increases the calorie content of the dish, which negatively affects your overall health. Excessive sugar consumption is also associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and even some types of cancer. So instead, try adding natural sweeteners like fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey, or a touch of maple syrup. These options add flavor and sweetness without compromising the nutritional benefits of your oatmeal and additional nutrients. Mistake number four, ignoring gluten intolerance. Although oats themselves do not contain gluten, they are often processed in the same facilities as barley or rye, which contain gluten. This can lead to cross contamination when traces of gluten end up in the oats for people with celiac diseases or gluten intolerance. This can be dangerous and cause unpleasant symptoms. Therefore, when choosing oats, you should pay attention to the gluten-free label to avoid possible problems. Even a small amount of gluten can cause a number of unpleasant symptoms, such as abdominal pain, gas, diarrhea, and fatigue in the long term. This can lead to more serious complications, such as intestinal damage, which prevents the body from absorbing important nutrients, causing deficiencies and associated health problems. Moreover, eating foods contaminated with gluten can provoke an immune response in people with celiac disease, causing inflammation that can spread in other parts of the body outside the intestines. Now, what about mistake number five? Using instant or processed oats. Instant oats are a popular choice because of the convenience and speed of preparation. However, it is often contains additives such as sugars, preservatives, and artificial flavors during the processing. These oats lose some of the fiber and nutrients. So the best choice is rolled oats or steel cut oats. They are lightly processed and retain most of the fiber and nutrients in them. Now, and we know that steel cuts oats, they have a higher effect on the glycemic index, which leads to slower digestion and stable blood sugar. Mistake number six, skipping protein and healthy fats. If you don't add sources of protein or healthy fats to your oatmeal, your meal may be less satisfying. Oats on their own are rich in carbohydrates and fiber, but adding proteins and fats prolongs the feeling of fullness, maintain stable energy levels, and reduce insulin spikes. Add a spoon of almond butter, nuts, chia seeds, or a little Greek yogurt, and you can make your oatmeal more balanced and nutritious. Mistake number 7, overloading portions and toppings. When preparing oatmeal, it is easy to overload it with additives. A standard serving of oatmeal is about half a glass of dry flakes, which increase in volume when cooked. So if you exceed this portion and add many ingredients, the calorie content of the dish increases significantly. This can become an obstacle to weight loss or achieving fitness goals. So it is important to know how much calories you consume each daily and control portions to enjoy tasty and nutritious food as part of a balanced diet. Mistake number 8, neglecting water intake. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which absorbs large amounts of water. If you do not drink enough water, the fiber will not be able to swallow properly, which can obstruct the intestinal tract and cause discomfort such as bloating and constipation. Insufficient water intake also affects the absorption of nutrients, even if your diet is rich in vitamins and minerals. This highlights the importance of maintaining good hydration, especially when increasing fiber intake. Mistake number 9, ignoring expiration dates. Although oats can last for months, if stored correctly, many people buy it in large quantities and forget about the packaging left at the bottom of the cupboard. Eating expired oats reduces its quality, taste, and texture. Moreover, over time, oats can become rancid or fungal contamination increases. Therefore, it is important to monitor the expiration date and store them properly. Mistake number 10, using the same liquid every time. Experiment with different liquids like plant-based milk can enrich your oatmeal with new flavors and additional nutrients. Using natural juices without added sugar is another way to add variety to your meal. By changing the liquids, you avoid monotony and introduce different flax substances into your diet. So this is a real superfood that is rich in nutrition and it is affordable in price. Now, I know I have been increasing or praising oatmeal, and for good reason. It offers many health benefits, but it is important to remember that everything has its limits. While in general oatmeal is healthy, there are few potential harms of oatmeal that we need to be aware of. For example, it is not recommended for infants under 1 year old. They should not be given oatmeal. Their digestive systems are still developing and aren't quite ready to handle or digest the fiber content. It is always best to check with your pediatrician before introducing food to your little ones. For people with celiac disease, they should avoid oatmeal because it is contraindicated due to its gluten content or contamination. And if you are lactose intolerant, avoid adding milk in your oatmeal. Patients with disease should not should limit their consumption of oatmeal, as in some cases it can increase blood glucose level. So that is of utmost importance. So in conclusion, oatmeal is a versatile, universal, and nutritious food that when consumed in moderation brings numerous health benefits to your body. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can maximize its potential and enjoy a healthier lifestyle. This concludes today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Thank you so much for watching.